Let's discuss alarming topic about the rapid increase in the use of meth or crystal in Asia and how it is destroying thousands of families. In Asia, many people are using crystal meth. It's a dangerous drug that can hurt people mentally as well as physically. More and more people are using crystal meth because it's easy to get and cheap. Question arises here, why people are using crystal meth? The drug produces a strong sense of euphoria, making users feel intense pleasure and excitement. Crystal meth provides a significant boost of energy, making users feel awake and alert for extended periods. The drug can suppress appetite, leading to weight loss and a more focused mindset. Crystal meth can enhance sexual desire and performance. In the beginning, drug user enjoyed these benefits of illegal substance, but with the passage of time you need to get more quantity to feel the same pleasure or benefits. Here comes the bad side of this drug when you cannot live without it because your mind and body depend on it and you don't feel same without this drug. In the beginning you started with a minor quantity for the sake of enjoyment, but now your body and mind are the slave of the drug. At this moment you need a professional help. Now let's discuss the side effects of this drug. Crystal meth can make you lose weight, get bad teeth, and have skin problems. It can also cause heart problems and strokes. Crystal meth can make you see things that aren't there, feel paranoid, and act crazy. It can also make it hard to think clearly. Crystal meth can ruin families. It can cause financial problems, relationship problems, and even violence. If you or someone you know is using crystal meth, there is help available. You can get help from doctors and support groups. Crystal meth is a dangerous drug, but you can get better. Let's work together to help people who are struggling with crystal meth addiction.